In this video, I'll show you how you can change your display name on Roblox. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over to roblox.com, or you can open up the Roblox application. Now from in here you want to find profile. You can find that from clicking here, or you can go to the settings up here and press on profile. Now once you're in here, what you want to do is press In this video, I'll show you how you can change your display name on Roblox. Now first what you want to do is you want to head over to roblox.com, and from in here you want to log into your account. Now once this is done, you want to press on the settings and go to settings. From in here under account info, you should be able to see display name and then your display name. What you can do is press the little notepad here and it will give you the option to change your display name. Now keep in mind, you can only change the name every 1 week. So make sure when you change it, you don't mistype and that you choose the name that you actually want. After that, simply press save and you will now have the new display name. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.